we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Qoonoi 2024 upgraded wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. That's include. Why choose us? Our transmitter with a USB-C port design does not require a separate power cord and can connect directly to mobile devices. It is perfect for Apple computers and iPads, solving the issue of limited ports and the lack of an HDMI port. It also includes 2 additional ports for charging your computer, phone, and iPad simultaneously. OTG support allows you to plug in USB drives and connect peripherals like a mouse and keyboard. Plug and play. This wireless USB-C to HDMI transmitter and receiver is prepared at the factory, making it truly plug and play. No apps, no Bluetooth, and no Wi-Fi are required. Simple and efficient, it saves you time and keeps your office or room tidy. The transmitter does not require additional cables for power. Multifunctional transmitter. The transmitter has 2 ports. One USB port for charging your playback device, supporting PD 65 watt, and another OTG port for connecting external devices such as a wireless mouse, keyboard, or USB drive. Perfect for business trips, vacations, or family gatherings. Widely compatible with many devices. The transmitter is compatible with computers, iPhones, and iPads, MacBook, Microsoft Surface, Dell XPS, Chromebook, iPad Pro/Air, and Samsung Galaxy/iPhone 15 series. The receiver is suitable for devices such as televisions, monitors, and projectors. Compatible with all iOS, Android, Mac OS, and Windows systems. Note: ensure your device's USB-C port supports video output. Compatible with all applications. No need to pay or watch ads. You can easily display all your favorite videos, pictures, games, slideshows, and apps like Hulu, Netflix, YouTube, HBO Max, and TikTok. For iOS and Mac OS devices, this transmitter and receiver support streaming no HDCP apps, such as Zoom, YouTube, TikTok, FaceTime, and other non-subscription video apps. High-definition clarity and no delays or lag. Boasting a high-performance 5G chip, you can instantly transmit audio/video signals to a big screen up to 98 feet or 30 meters away without any delays. It supports flawless 1080p at 60 Hz Full HD resolution, guaranteeing no compression or artifacts. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience, whether you're sharing presentations, watching movies, or teaching. Also supports extend and mirror mode. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.